So the CPI report last week came out at this figure, 3.3, which is the highest we've actually seen in 2 years. All right. So as someone that is looking at the fundamentals to trade for charts, okay, as a swing trader, what should you expect? All right. Now, this figure came out at 3.3. Okay, this is 3.3. Now, I'm actually expecting, though I don't wish that for the US, okay, but I expect that we have a higher figure. Okay, I wish we have a higher figure of maybe like 3.4 or 3.5, 3.6. All right. If as long as the figure comes out higher in the next CPI report, okay, if it comes out higher than this figure which we had last week, all right, then a trend have established that we may keep having higher inflation reports. And we all know what is going on with the US-Iran war, and that's what's actually causing inflation right now. This is a massive jump in the US economy. All right. So as long as any of this figure coming out in the future, maybe that's, let's say, in May or June, comes out higher than this figure, then a trend have been established. Now, what are we going to expect? Once this figure starts going up, all right, investors, all right, will be expecting the United States, that's the Federal Reserve Bank, okay, of the United States, all right, to actually increase interest rates, all right, to curb this figure. So once there's a hint that there's going to be an increase in the interest rates, then you see more push to the upside for the dollar. All right. So now, what you should actually be looking for is that whether the next inflation report is going to come out higher than this. If it comes out higher than this, then just know that for sure the Bank of the United States, all right, will now be looking to increase the interest rates. All right. I hope that makes sense. Follow me for more insight like this when it comes to fundamental data, and you see yourself rising to profitability in the nearest future to come. Take care and bye for now.